Hello friends, this is 2022 and if you're looking to start freelancing in 2022, what are the different things that you should talk about or you should think about before getting started? In this video, I'm going to talk about the various things that you should be equipped with before you start or your freelancing career. So watch this video till the end. If you're someone who's looking to start freelancing or who has started freelancing and still you're not getting that kind of response, this video is going to be very helpful for you. So watch it till the end. My name is Stan and I'm your host and host on the Indian Freelancer YouTube channel. Right now I'm sitting in Kolkata and I'm making this video from here. So if you're new to this channel and if you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe, because I create this kind of videos on freelancing and different aspects of freelancing very regularly on this channel. Thanks a lot for watching. Let's get started. Now understand this, that there are thousands and thousands of freelancers working, and probably they're also doing the same kind of work that you want to do on different freelancing platforms, right? Now I'm talking about digital freelancing in this video. I'm not talking about regular traditional freelancing work like physical work that we do, but then we're talking about the digital things, like things that we do on Fiverr.com, on Upwork.com, and similar websites. Now understand that when you start as a freelancer, you will not have reviews, you will not have ratings, and the people who are going to choose you, the buyers, only have your profile, your description, and probably the video, the introductory video that you may have on your profile. Apart from that, they will not have anything. They will not have any social proof. They will not have any other way to judge whether you are the right person for that job or not. Okay, so it's very important that you first let your prospects or your buyers understand that you are the right person for that job, right? So how to do that? Now first of all, you need to decide on what exactly you want to work on. Okay, there are hundreds of things that you can do as a freelancer. You can be a graphic designer, you can be a content writer, you can be a video editor, you can be audio editor, you can be a lot of a plethora of different things. But then it is not possible for one person to do everything, and it is also not recommended that you do freelancing on every other skill that you have. Okay, the main thing about getting started as a freelancer is to focus on the right areas. I'm not saying that you should have only one skill. You can obviously work on 4 different things or 3 different things, but it should not be 10 different things that you are working on. That's the idea. Okay, as a freelancer, you must know a couple of other things associated with your main skill, your primary skill. Only then you'll be able to provide an end-to-end solution to your customers, which many customers look for. So decide on what you are going to do. If you think, let's take an example of graphic designer. I keep taking this example. Now a graphic designer will obviously make still images using Photoshop or CorelDRAW or those kind of apps. But then apart from that, sometimes the client may also ask you to do a little bit of animation. Okay, probably how to make a GIF, how to use After Effects a little bit. You should know that also. So these are the associated skills that I'm talking about. So decide first what you are going to do. Now once you have decided, suppose you have decided that no, I'm going to be a graphic designer, I'm going to be working in the graphical industry or the graphical domain, where I'm going to design different logos, different banners, or YouTube thumbnails, or like flyers, Facebook ads, Google ads, those kind of things I'm going to design for my clients. So that is your idea, that's what you want to do. Now once you have decided that this is the thing that I want to do some research. This is very important. Many people skip this stage. They just directly go to these platforms and start creating their profile. I would suggest that you do a little bit of research. Go to the same platform. Suppose you want to be a graphic designer on Upwork.com. Go to Upwork.com, search for profiles similar to yours, and see how they have positioned themselves, how they have shown their skills. Okay, what are the different things that they have done? A very simple thing that most people do today in today's time is that if he is a graphic designer, he would have a Instagram channel or Instagram page on which he will put all his work or most of his work, his best work. So you may find that a lot of people are actually showcasing their Instagram page. They're asking the buyers that if you want to check my work, you can go to my Instagram page and check out my work there. So this is one thing that you can learn from there. Okay, I'm just telling you this. There may be other things also that other graphic designers who are already successful on that particular platform are already doing. So please check out, please do the research. You need not be only stuck to one platform. Why I said to start with the platform that you want to work in, because not every platform has similar features. If Upwork lets you to share a link to your Instagram, maybe Fiverr is not letting you to do that. If Fiverr lets you do that, probably freelancer.com does not let you do that. Okay, so every platform works differently. So choose the platform that you want to start with. For me, I've talked about in many other videos also that the first platform that you should target is Fiverr.com. Right, Fiverr.com is very good for the beginners. So check on Fiverr, open an account on Fiverr, probably a temporary account. Okay, and you can check on Fiverr how the present top sellers on Fiverr are focusing their work. Okay, how they are showcasing their work in their gigs, how the gigs are made, how the designs of the gig images, Fiverr gig images are, how the videos are. They might be having a video on their profile, how they make it, what are the things that they include in that video, what are the things that they say, and then check their reviews. You will learn a lot from that. Okay, so if you're someone who's starting your career on freelancing, this is the very first thing that I would suggest to do before you create a profile on any of these platforms, whether it's Upwork or Fiverr or any other thing. Okay, so I hope this is clear. This is something I wanted to talk about. I have actually talked about this in my course on Fiverr as well. I've talked about this research thing in other videos as well, but I still keep getting questions like I wanted to be a graphic designer or a content writer. I've created my profile on Fiverr or on Upwork.com, and now I'm not getting sales. What should I do? This is something which I ask people to do even if they are already on the platform and they've worked on the platform for some time. Okay, this is going to open your eyes, give you different kind of ideas how to showcase your work, how to um, tell your prospective clients or your customers that you are the right guy for that particular job. Okay, so research is very important. Research. All right, so that's all I had in this video. I hope this information that I shared in this video is helpful. On this channel, you know that I create videos on freelancing and different aspects of freelancing, how you can earn money online, what are the different things that you can do. And if this is something that interests you, please subscribe to this channel. If you're new, please do not go without subscribing. Okay, and if you like this content, please give me a like. Your likes actually help this video to reach to different people and also help me in a big way. Okay, so please like this video and keep watching videos on the Indian Freelancer YouTube channel. My name is Stan, logging out. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.